we're going to do now, I'm going to show you something kind of neat. This is kind of neat. Just one more of these videos. I got to move this wire out of the way. Now here, I figured out when, let's see, motor 4. This right here is what we're working with. And this is powering motor 4 here. This is just a temporary wiring and motor test. I just wanted to get the hang of what I'm doing here before I install all the other ones. But here, I'm gonna access motor 4 at 1000. That means it's at 0. So I can hit the control key here, hold that down, and use this up arrow. And the more I go here, like hold this down, and it moves it up. And we got it going just a little there, see that? So what we're going to do is hold the control key here, hit the up arrow, and it slowly raises this to 103, 104, 105, 106, and I'll keep doing that here. And the higher I go, the faster that prop gets. I'm not really supposed to do this indoors, but now that I know that I got the hang of the software, we're going to raise this up. Now here we go. I'm going to show you. This is a motor test. You got to be careful doing this, because if it goes haywire or something, that could be dangerous, especially indoors. Got to make sure you have no bugs or anything in the software. I'm raising it higher. The up arrow, raising it up. 78, 79, 80, 81. I don't know how fast it's got to go before it'll start lifting up, but that's how it's doing. We're at 1102, 1103, 04. We'll keep them going there. And if the things are moving, I don't know when it's going to start getting lift. Keep an eye on it. I don't want that thing taking off. With just one propeller, that'd be a mess. We're at 11, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It's moving. My goodness, check it out. And it's on. $11.52. And that's only a fraction of how fast that thing will really go. Look out, that's just at the very bottom. In the yellow, that's the speed. That. That's just low, very, very, very low. There's wind everywhere in here. Windy. Well, that's your motor. That's how you do a motor test. I don't want to get it going too fast. The thing will flip or something. I'm not sure what will happen. But it won't be cool. It won't be cool. And we're at 1190. I need to memorize. Man, it's windy in here. I don't know. It's wind. Ooh, that thing's starting to move or something. Oh my goodness! Golly! Look at that. Man, lands. That's how you do a motor test. And right here, follow, see my mouse. Always read this. here. Be careful. And my phone's about to die. So anyway, that's how you turn it off, and then you can turn it off. But anyway, you do it the same way coming back down. Just hold the control and go down. We'll bring it back down. And back down. Anyway, that's a motor test there. That's in Betaflight F4. Just be careful doing that. I wouldn't